Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is something I'm pretty excited about. I bought a bunch of bento boxes on Amazon this week. They were just delivered a couple days ago. So I've been really wanting to do like a meal slash snack prep with them. I always find it so great to have those kinds of containers in my fridge ready to just grab and go. And they're also really super convenient for my children. So we're gonna keep it keto slash low carb today. I'm gonna go through my fridge, figure out what kinds of foods we want to throw in there, and I'll meet you back in the kitchen in a minute. All right guys, so I just pulled a bunch of food out of the fridge. Just thought I would quickly show you before we get cutting things up. So lots of different meats. Bought these last night. I thought they were pepperoni sticks. They're ham sticks. I'm not sure how much I like them, but I'm sure the kids will gobble them up, especially if they're cut up with some cheese. I have a cucumber that I want to finish using, which doesn't keep super well, but if we eat that as one of the first things, that'll be fine. Asiago dip, which is one of my favorites right now. I've got some berries. I have some leftover veggies that needs to be used up. I have hard-boiled some eggs, and I have all kinds of different cheeses. I may even get some more cheeses from the fridge. I don't know. I'm just gonna start throwing stuff together. Oh, the other thing is I need to use this up. I have a little bit of coconut left, so I'll throw that probably in something too. So let's get prepping. Okay, so I totally thought I was filming cutting up the meat, but basically all I did was cut up some meat. So we have gypsy salami, we have like a peppered salami, we have those ham sticks, and this is actually my favorite. It's just roasted turkey from the deli, so I'm gonna do one with that, and I think now I'll start cutting up some cheeses. Oh my goodness, guys. I almost feel like scrapping dinner tonight and just serving this to the family. It looks so good. It's like a charcuterie board. Anyways, so we've got that all cut up. I've got 3 different cheeses, and actually then also the Laughing Cow cheese. So 4 different cheeses, just a regular marble cheese, an extra aged Alderson's, I think it is. Jarlsberg, which I'm still not even sure. Let me know in the comments below if you know what kind of cheese this is. It doesn't really say, it just says Jarlsberg. I'm thinking it might be a Swiss cheese, but it's not my favorite, but it's okay. And then we got the Laughing Cow. So I'm gonna get the boxes opened, and we're gonna start throwing some food in and see what we come up with. So somebody has been sticking very close, very close to my side. So here we go. I've decided I'm going to do the cucumbers right now for myself and one of the eggs that broke. So I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to put together a plate for myself. So I don't know, guys. I just randomly threw stuff together. So here's what we got. These three are very, well, I think they're the same. So we've got meat, we've got different cheeses, we've got a laughing cow, an egg, and some berries. So you know what, if my son takes that, I'll probably take some crackers with it. I might throw some wisps in there. I'm kind of out. What I have left is all full of crumbs. So otherwise I might have put those in there today. This one, I wanted to use up most of those veggies. So that's just veggies, some Asiago dip and cheese. So that's a perfect little snack one to grab. These ones are I just threw the leftovers in here, so this will just stay in my fridge. This is more meat and cheese that's already cut up. I can just grab that as I need it. Here is some more berries, coconut, and some of that ham. Yeah, so now I'm going to throw together a plate that I'm going to eat right now, and I'll show you what that looks like in a sec. Alright guys, so this is what I just threw together really quickly with some of that cut up cucumber, the one egg that was broken. I got some turkey meat, one little leftover piece of salami, and this is the Asiago dip. I love it. So I smother that on the cucumber, put a piece of turkey or meat on top, and it's delicious. So I'm going to have this quick snack, and then I'm going to clean up this mess and get all this stuff in the fridge, and I will be back after I eat. Okay, so guys, I am super disappointed. I completely forgot about the pickles and the olives, and I was really looking forward to having those in these boxes. So I just pulled out some of these little containers, and I'm just gonna have them on the side so that if people want to grab those with it, they can. I'm just gonna fill these up, and then I think we're pretty much done. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done all this. All right, here we go. This is for sure the finished product. So I've got a few of these on the side. People want to grab one of those, they can. And then I've got my two little ones that will likely just stay in the fridge for people to grab food from and snack on. And then I got 4 bento boxes ready to go. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna get the lids on, get that in the fridge, and that's about it. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know that my family's gonna like having those on hand to eat, as will I. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm hoping to make more videos similar to this, so I hope you like them. And I would love if you would subscribe to the channel down below. If you do meal prep or have bento boxes or do anything similar to this, I would love to hear what your low carb / keto style bento boxes have in them. Always looking for more ideas. So if you have any good ideas, leave a comment down below, and I will see you at my next video.